What's up, you guys? I'll be showing you guys how to change out your cabin filter for just the price of the filter. You don't have to take it to the dealership and get overcharged. Really simple. You don't really need any tools. So you start off, I took everything out of the glove compartment to make it easier. You see this little pin right here to push it out. Then you have one little, I guess like a notch or something here, and one exactly on the opposite side. You're going to go and push inwards on both sides until it comes down. Now you can get that out of the way. You will see that I already took off the door to make it easy for you. Little door that like this has little push pins. So if you have an OEM filter like most of us do, you'll see that the filter says up. So if you have an OEM filter, replace it the same way with the arrow pointing up and the word saying up. I have an aftermarket filter with the words airflow. You want to make sure that you put it with the words down, so the airflow goes back down. Slide that back in like that. The door just pops back in. Now you're going to want to grab your glove compartment. You see these little hinges on both sides. Try to line up with the hinges here. Push it back up. It locks in automatically. Pull this down, pop it back in, and you're good to go.